Hello guys, and for today's video, I'm collabing with these guys on TikTok. You can find these guys at TikTok, of course, but you're probably watching this on YouTube, and if you are then, you can only find us on TikTok. BTW my TikTok here. I really worked hard on this, so I hope you enjoy. On YouTube, don't forget to like and subscribe. On TikTok, follow and like. Let's start now.
Hello guys, for today's video, nagdula kami ang galing basta. Ay, katulog mystery. Oh, hello Chris. Chris, ano ba? Ano ba, Chris? Only ako, matay mong kagyapon. O, diba, namatay ka? I am mega spongy boy. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Normal SpongeBob. Normal SpongeBob na ko. I am normal SpongeBob na. Okay. Sige na. Who has the gayest dance? Who has the gayest dance? Nako, hindi ko ba mo akong dance?
Ito lang ang ikot ngayon. Stop na ang video.
Wait lang. Dito mag-skip. Ayun. Bum, 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 bum. Iyak ng summer outfit. Okay, asaman mo. Asaman mo. Amo. Hi, Lord. Hi, Lord. Patyunti ka, Lord. Kumakato ko na patyunti ka. Kasagan, Chris! Chris. Ano man ka, Chris? Ay, namatay na day ka po. Doyay! Loya, oy!
Na, otra punta.
Gracias ako ay. Today. Okay.
Bruh.
Yeah?
Ipasil ako.
Ilol. Shawty's like a melody in my head in the middle of the night. We're getting like to the diamonds down in the cave, like my jukebox stuck in replay. Emo, I'm emo. Oh, what are you gonna do? I'm just.
Kuya, wala
ambot. Wait lang. I will see. Diba? Si Alice, gamit siya sa gun. Gitao. I'm... Kipate. Yehey! Yahoo! Pababulo po! Burst, skibidi bop bop bop, yes, yes, skibidi bop bop, beep beep. It's Halloween time. Tonight, we are playing with the Korean time. There were three friends. The three friends were Asaya, Camilla, and Valencia. One of them died because of the pink one, while the yellow one was running away from the murderer. He was running until he died to the pink murderer. And then I hit Bumba, or the blue one, tried to fight up the pink one, but he died also. The three of them respond here. What, this blue one keeps talking about the videos not having fun. I do not know why. Do you know that I know how to edit videos? Oh, slow. No, I'm not this slow. No. Lol, you are confused. Lol. Take me back home to Tokukusha. For today's video, we have seen a hacker in a game. Right now, he is hacking. He is outside the map, while the murderer is effortlessly trying to find him. And he discovers that he is outside the map, while the player hacker gets killed just because he got closer to the map. That is nice. Correction. Every day I like igit and ihi. Ganahan ko na tanan. Oh, what did you say? What did you Monday, they Timo. They called me Timo. They called me Timo SpongeBob. Meh.
I am eating raw fish.
They called me Timo SpongeBob. I am now sad. I'm Timo. Hi, Timo. Man, I'm Timo now. They call me Timo. They disrespect me like I disrespected them. I am Timo SpongeBob. They hate me very much. But I don't care about this, guys. I am SpongeBob SquarePants. And I don't care what they freaking say. I'm back to being SpongeBob SquarePants. Hello.
Are you married?
Chris, alis ka dali. Chris. Chris, ama ka, Chris! Chris!
Stop, stop, stop.
Chris, ama ka, Chris! Chris. Oh, yikes. Yikes. Hello, Chrissy boy. Hello, my fellow crispy boy. Crispy boy.
Ang box na ulo.
Crispy boy. Crispy boy. Crispy boy. Wait lang ba, crispy boy? Wait lang ba, crispy boy? Crispy boy, wait lang. Wait lang. Bayang crispy boy yun sa naman. Sige naman gud ka gihok. Ana, jump naman gud ka. Di man gud ka mo lihok. Mo jump naman gud ka. Mo lihok man ka.
Ayaw sa ba? Ayaw jump sa. Ayaw sa jump.
Ikaw good.
Jump.
Ikaw man nag-jump. Amo ko
Jump.
jump naman. Di man ka mo lihok. Ay, naglihok. Mo jump naman ka. Never mind. Bum. Ah! You'll never get me. Whoa! Wait a minute. They're fire.
Si Lordy, ako kayo.
See Lord J? Lord J. Oh, hell no! Nah, what happened? What happened to bro? Nah, bro was Jesus on his shoulders. Oh, hell no, not you too. No. These are my dads. Both of them are gay.
What? What did you say?
These are my dads. These are my big dads. Both of them are gay.
Makuling man ka.
Yapper, gihinay naman. Bruh, curse nung kay mong dua. Mauni akong kuya, si Kuya Chris. Walang wait lang, malingkod na ako, ma-emote ako ng shoulder niya, emote ko. Wait lang. Wait lang. Di mo ko ka-emote eh. Try kong emote sa mong shoulder, sa mong hands na, sa mong head na lang. Okay, dayon, sit. Ala! Ay, Chris, like, more shoulder pal ko ni mo, like, oh, hell na. Makatapos siya internet, guys. Wag mo na ning disconnected na siya. What, ni wifi ba? Dito yung internet, wala na to. O, diba guys, wala na to siya daw. Ang tawa guys. O, diba guys, wala na siya. There's kay mo check wifi. Anyway guys, that's all for today's video. Oh, wait mo. One last round. Anyway. Okay, that's all for today's video. Subscribe, ambot, ay follow, then share, ambot, sa ingon nila. I like po. Sige, ana siguro. Okay guys. Bye-bye na. See you guys later.